What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright guys, so we only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets usually have multiple accounts, usually around 5 or 3, 5, 7, sometimes even 10. We only using one. I just want to show you guys the beginner of it. People just starting with it and seeing that I am making money doing this. And you could be too. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first I want to speak on why I like promoting this particular product, the $25 business. Everything in it is 80% recurring income. Well, not 80% recurring income, but this particular product is 80% recurring income, and it sells two products, $25 business. $25 business, which you'll get 20%. You'll get $20 every month. Okay guys, and it has a $125 product, which is the premium, which you can get for free for 2 weeks. Which is you get $125 within the month. Alright guys, I mean you get $100 for promoting that every month, so you get $120 off of one person every month. That's the reason why I promote this product. There's a bunch of other products in the system that cost $500, $1,000. You'll get $400 for the $500. You get 80% income, 80% no matter what you sell in this system. All right, guys. So let's look at our results here. We're gonna make sure I look at the results. Don't believe the results until you see them refresh the page. Otherwise, because they're very easy to change anything up here. All right, guys. So you know we refresh. Looks like I got, whoa.
Nice.
Oh wow, I got a really big sale, guys. Holy crap. Yeah, I did get a sale today. Man. Okay, so since I got $400, that means the $500 product sold. Alright guys. Wow. My first time getting this huge sale on stream like this, guys. So in the video, so to speak, is what I'm saying. So anyway guys, as you can see, it's working for me, man. I don't know what else to say. It's working for me. I'm making money. I made $4,000 since I started making these videos, which isn't a lot when you consider it's been about 5 months, but it's extra money, man. So yeah man, it's working out for me pretty well. So anyway guys, you're interested in following along, right? So there's gonna be a link in the description that says the $25 business. Okay guys, you click on that. All right, so once you click on that, it's gonna take you a page that looks like this. All right, the all-in-one $25 business. You can look at the videos and read more about what you're actually getting here, guys. Purchasing or whatever you want to read about it, the system, or whatever you want to do, right? So once you get finished and you decided, hey, I want to try this out, right? Click on yes, I want in. And it's yes, I want in is all over the page. So just click on yeah, I want any one of these. All right guys, and once you click on it, it's gonna take you to a video explaining what you're purchasing, so you fully understand what you're doing, right? So once you do that, you click in, you buy the product, and you can also choose to pick premium for free for 2 weeks. All right, remember that. You can get it for free 2 weeks. What premium is, it teaches you how to set up ads and stuff like that, and it comes with a lot of other stuff, and they update everything every time. So anyway guys, I just want to explain that to you guys. All right, so after that guys, the next thing you want to do is you'll come to a page that looks similar to this. Looks very similar to this, guys. It'll probably be on the funnel builder or something like that, but anyway, you'll come to a page that looks something like this. What you want to click on is the affiliate zone. Oh, I need to log in. Hold up. What you click on is the affiliate zone. Once you click on the affiliate zone, All right, guys, don't worry if you don't fully understand me. I'm trying to kind of rush through it, show you exactly what to do. There's videos teaching you every single step. All right, guys, videos showing you every single step on what to do. But I'm kind of fast speeding it, kind of showing you, hey, do this, do this, do this. But it's very simple once you get to it. All right, so once you get into this system, you need to sign up for an affiliate program. Sign up for the affiliate program, guys. And once you do that, you should get a be able to log into Samcart. Right, once you log into Samcart, it's gonna take you to this page here. You're not gonna have any money here. All right, guys, you're not gonna have any money, but it'll take you to this page. Once you get to this page, guys, you come down to the link here, all-in-one $25 business. You click on that. All right, you click on that, you get your link. All right, so now you log into My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, guys, you log into My Lead Gen Secrets, get your account, do what you need to get an account. Do not purchase the master email swipes. You do not need master email swipes, guys. Don't worry about the email swipes. It's very easy to get email swipes. Don't worry about that. So you just come log in, right? There's another link in the description for this, the MLGS down there. All right, guys. So anyway, you click on mailing system once you get logged in. You click on select all. All right, guys, and then you go down to you put an email in the system. Personally, I'm gonna just go down to one of my old emails here. That's all I'm gonna do here. Just load up an old email, guys, and you can copy this email if you want to copy it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna just show it, make sure you can copy it. All right, guys, just pause to copy it. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that's the whole email. All right, so another way you can get emails, guys, you don't want to copy my emails, is you can come to your affiliate. Since you logged in, if you try premium for 2 weeks, guys, it got something called the Emerging Magic Content Machine. You can personally put in, like, write a MMO email, write a email promoting the, you can pick whatever you want. Exaggerated clickbait email about how to 25 all right, so something like that, right? Click me email about how much money you can make with all one $25 business. You put that in, and what it's gonna do is generate an email that you could use, guys. And you can use the Emerging Magic. The cool thing about this, you can use it for anything. All right, guys, use it in anything, like making Facebook posts, making Instagram posts, making TikTok captions, whatever you need to do, making YouTube descriptions, whatever, and you can do that. Now you can use this email quick like that, right, guys? If you want it to be shorter, you can make it shorter, longer, make it long. Let's pick shorter. I feel like shorter emails work a little bit better with the My Lead Gen C. Okay, that's way too short. It's way too short. Okay, let's just go with the long one. Bump it. Let's just go with a long one. You know, very simple, very easy to do. And it's just like that, guys. It's really just that easy to come up with emails for you. You know, easy to do. Very quick email right there you could use and go and do it. Hit perfect time and make sure your link work, guys. Once you put the link in your email there, you send your email, and that's all there is to it, guys. And once you get like a rotation going with a ton of emails in the system, you're done. Like, you only need a few emails in the system, around 20-ish, and you could just start rotating them, because you get new leads every single day, so they ain't seeing the same emails. When you get to around 20 or 25 emails, people aren't really seeing the same emails anymore. So that's what you do, guys. Or you can make a new email every single day if you want to. That's fine as well. But my way, eventually it'll only take you about 30 seconds to do this every morning, and you still get sales. So It works. I'm showing you guys. Interested, following along, the links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.